can use those USB cables to rule the world.
Oh no, it's the Ratchet Weed!
Those USB cables will be mine.
No, these are for Grandma.
Now these USB cables will be mine and I will rule the world!
That's my order. Oh, and one more thing. I want black coffee with just ice. Goodness, I wish there was some villain to deal with today. My mother-in-law's coming. The weed had the USB to rule the world. Finally, I can prove that I'm better than Batman. Cape Girl, bring me my capes! Wrong cape! Thank you! Yeah! Ah! Woo! Getting that cardio in. Hey guys! We're gonna make this stop. And back! Oh crap! Forgot to get my coffee!
Sir! Here!
Thank you!
Good luck to you!
Thank you! Oh, this is more than ice! Ah.
Oh my days. What shall I do with you? I know. I'll connect this one here. This one over here. Perfect.
You won't get away with this.
Oh, but I will. Ha ha ha. As soon as I connect my US free ray.
Seriously, that's what it's called?
You come up with a better name then.
Goodbye. Aha! I am Cape Girl.